Hello techies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code.it, a solution to your problem. So if you are new to this channel, then hit on the subscribe icon and join Code.it family. So today in this video, I'll tell you 3 hidden websites that you must explore. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So our first website is remove video from background, that is unscreen.com. So go to unscreen.com. Here you can upload a clip, or for example let's search for a GIF. So here I'll click on this one, and once we have uploaded the video, then it will remove the background from that video, remaining the main character in the center of the screen. So after that you can create more of animation, different animation. You can choose different colors, or you can choose a static image to paste behind, or keep it original so that you can just edit it anyway. So that's the first amazing hidden website. So moving forward, our next website is fixmyspeakers.com. So here, suppose your mobile got wet and the water got inserted in your speakers. So to fix your speakers of your laptop or your mobile phone, you can just go to fixmyspeakers.com. Here, click here. It will play a sound of high frequency and high pitch that the water or any dust trapped in your speakers will get move out. So I'm not gonna play this because this sound is so much irritating. So moving forward, our last but the most amazing website is accountkiller.com. Suppose you are using a website where you have created an account for a short period, but now you want to deactivate your account and you have no idea how to do that. So Account Killer is here for you. Just go to accountkiller.com. Here it will tell you the right way to deactivate your account from that website. So you can find that how to remove your keg account or your play drag account, or you can search for your website here. And also, if you are not able to find that site here, just type it here what account you are trying to kill, then you enter your name, email and your country, and send this to their support service, and they'll let you know once they are ready with the steps that will help you to delete your account from that website. So here you can check all the sites that are available here where you can kill your account. So please go check it out and find the right way to deactivate your account. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you all liked this video. Then do hit a like and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.